Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into beauty products that truly deliver. Today, we're talking about a product that promises to hydrate, nourish, and smooth, Weleda Skin Food Repairing Serum Stick. A twist-up stick that combines the hydrating power of hyaluronic acid with the soothing benefits of cica and ceramides. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. This serum stick boasts a powerhouse blend of ingredients designed to quench and refresh your skin. With hyaluronic acid, your skin gets a deep hydration boost, locking in moisture while promoting a healthy, radiant glow. Then there's cica, known for its ability to improve skin elasticity and support the skin's barrier, perfect for anyone needing a bit of extra care for their complexion. Weleda's signature skin food blend of nourishing botanicals also makes an appearance, offering that signature plant-based comfort. Let's talk about the formula. It glides on effortlessly, absorbing quickly with no greasy residue left behind, making it perfect for layering under makeup. Whether you need it for dry patches, dullness, or even as a little skin pick-me-up during the day, it's designed for versatility. Plus, it's free of parabens, phthalates, sulfates, and mineral oils, making it a clean option for anyone who prioritizes ingredients. Now, how does it perform in real-world use? For me, it was easy to incorporate into my routine. The stick format is incredibly convenient. No mess, no fuss. The texture is smooth, and it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. I applied it both in the morning and evening, under my makeup and before bed, and I loved how quickly it absorbed. The hyaluronic acid left my skin feeling hydrated, and I could really feel the nourishing effects of the botanicals. However, if I'm being picky, the application was a little too targeted for larger areas. For full face use, I found myself needing to swipe the stick several times. It would have been great if the stick was a little larger for easier coverage, especially for people with drier skin who might want to use it more generously. The pros of this product are easy to spot: hydration, smooth texture, no residue, and a multitasking design that's great for travel or quick fixes. I love the clean ingredient list, especially if you're someone who is conscious of what goes on your skin. Plus, it's a perfect option for both skincare enthusiasts and makeup lovers. But like any product, there are cons. The stick format, while convenient, can be a bit tedious for larger areas of the face. Also, while the ingredients are great for general hydration and skin barrier support, if you have specific skin concerns like deep wrinkles or pigmentation issues, this might not provide targeted treatment. As for value for money, it's definitely on the higher end. But given the quality of ingredients and the overall effectiveness, I think it's fair for those seeking a natural, clean, and effective skincare solution. It's certainly not the cheapest option out there, but it delivers on its promises. In comparison to other repair serums or sticks, Weleda's is unique for its botanical blend and the convenience of the stick format. Many other products focus more on a watery or gel-like texture, which could be a plus for some. But I find this serum stick to be more versatile in its application, especially for those on the go or for anyone who loves the ease of a stick application. When it comes to build quality, the packaging is solid, sleek, sturdy, and travel-friendly. The stick is easy to twist, and I've had no issues with the product breaking or becoming messy. In terms of longevity, I found it holds up well throughout the day without needing frequent reapplication. If you're someone who values the integrity of your skincare products, you'll appreciate Weleda's customer service, known for being responsive and dedicated to quality. Though I haven't had direct interactions with them for this product, their reputation for handling inquiries efficiently is worth noting. Alternatives? If you're looking for something at a slightly lower price point, you could explore other serum sticks from brands like Burt's Bees or First Aid Beauty, which also focus on hydration and barrier support. While they may not have the same botanical richness, they do offer solid hydration and skin protection. So does this product live up to its claims? Yes, I think it does. It's a great option for anyone looking to boost hydration, support skin elasticity, and improve their skin barrier. The fact that it's so versatile and easy to use makes it suitable for a wide range of users, but it's particularly great for those with dry or sensitive skin looking for a quick and efficient solution. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.